Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how GoHighLevel Affiliate Manager works. So we will learn everything that you need to set up your GoHighLevel Affiliate Manager and set up campaigns. So I have created a mind map so I can show you like how basically it works, so you can basically understand the concept of Affiliate Manager within GoHighLevel. So the first thing will be campaign. For campaign, we need a funnel with whom we have integrated a product, for which product our affiliate will market that product and like promote that product so they can get some bonuses like affiliate payments basically. Then we have portal. So portal is kind of like we can say client portal. So client portal, to set up our client portal, we need a custom domain. We need to set up brandings, and there will be like magic link that we can give our kind of affiliate if they are having issues with logging the system. Then we have media. So media is kind of like branding kit. If we need any, if we want to set up any branding kit for our affiliate manager, we can set up that in media. So these were the basic things. So now let's see in GoHighLevel like how this works. So now you can see the first thing is we have campaign. So when I click campaign, so when we normally click campaign, it asks us to create integrate Stripe and upload affiliates or skip. So what I did, in the right hand side there should be a button which says skip, so we can just click on skip and skip that. So the first thing that if we want to promote one of our campaign with our affiliate, we have to create that campaign. So I already showed you here that campaign works with funnel and products. So basically to creating a campaign, first we have to set up a funnel. So in funnels, I have a demo funnel here. We can create a product page, and I can just create the step. I already attached that funnel with a demo domain. So like you also need to connect our domain to that funnel. It's create from blank. So let's use a two-step order form, or maybe we can just use one step, I guess. Let's hide the shipping details for now. And we don't need company name. Okay, so let's publish this page. So this is our demo product page. Like you can customize this page, or it can be, I'm just going to show you the basic functionality, like how the affiliate system works. So okay, it's published, I guess. Let's go back. So once our product page is set up, what we have to do, we have to create a product and we have to add that product to this landing page. So let's go into payments. Let's create new product here. I'm going to name it like demo product. Save. Oh, we have to define the payment like $20. Save. So once it's saved, let's go back to the sites again. Landing page, product page, and let's add that product. Demo, save. Okay, so they are asking like we need to integrate like one payment integration like Stripe or whatever. For now, there is I did not connect Stripe yet, but in your case, you can integrate the Stripe here. Like you can go in payments and you can click integrations and you can connect one of your payment method. Okay, so that's the important part of setting up campaigns. Like if you're going to run that in real time. Then once our product page is set up, what I will do, I will go back in marketing. I will go back in campaign and I will click add. So we have to name that campaign name. I can say affiliate GHL affiliate campaign. So we have to select funnel, then product page, and the product is selected here. I'm going to click next. And what will be the percentage of the commission that you are going to pay to your clients? So I'm going to say like 50. That's a one-time product. We can just say 50 here, and we can also select the tier, like how many tier they can add for their affiliates. So let's skip that and let's finish this campaign. So I'm going to publish this now. So our campaign is published now. So now what I will do, okay, let's go back. And now, so first thing is our campaign is created, and I'm not going to integrate Stripe, but in your case, you have to integrate the Stripe. Then I'm going to upload the affiliates. So there is two ways to upload the affiliate. First way is we can upload our affiliates from, like we can import them from contacts. The second way is we can upload a CSV file, and the other way, like we can just manually add them here. I'm going to manually add for now. Header test, and let's assign the campaign, and we can also define the company name here, and we can just click on next. So once we did that, what it will do, it will give us the magic link for the client. So client can just click on this magic link and log into the client portal. For now, I'm going to just click on done. Okay, so now you can see we have added affiliate, and when we added affiliate, they will receive an email. So they will receive an email like this. You can like you can begin though. So they will receive the welcome campaign, the affiliates to whom we have added in our client portal. So you can see, to access the account, they can click on this link. So once they click on this link, it will take them to the affiliate portal, or we can just strictly use the magic link for now. So when our affiliate login on that link, they will see this is their link. So they can just copy the link and they can paste that link in the browser. And when they paste that link, what it will do, they will be able to see that demo product. So let's say if I had the at automationsguru.com, or we can just skip this thing. Oh, no payment method available. So if we have any payment method here, so what it will do, it will and like basically I'm using the I'm using this affiliate link. So when someone submit this form, what it will do, it will generate a lead here, and it will generate their amount. Like we paid, like if they paid, like if this affiliate, if affiliate, like let's say that's this header is the basically affiliate promoter, like basically a lead that we get from our affiliate. So what it will do, it will add one lead here for our affiliate, and it will show the amount they paid and how much revenue they have generated. So in this way, they will be able to use the campaign, and so in this way, they can utilize the campaign and promote our campaigns to their leads, and they can just generate the revenue. So that's the whole thing, that how this thing works. And let me explain you about border and brandings. So you can see we have 5 options here. The first one was for our campaign, and the next is about affiliate thing. Here we can manage our affiliates, and I showed you like how I added the affiliate and how I assigned the campaign and how they can like log in here and how they can just share the links and track everything here. So we can also see the status of these specific affiliates. So here, okay, so we can also like manage our payout thing here for our affiliates. Then we have media. So in media, what we can do, we can basically create a folder for branding kit, and we can upload our logo and things or any documents that our affiliates needs to market our product. So they can just download that here. And then we have settings. So if we go here in settings, so in settings, basically it's giving us some payout terms, affiliate welcome email template. If we want to create our welcome, like if we don't want an email like this, if we want to ask, like if we want to customize our email, we can also go in marketing in emails and templates and create our own template and use that template here. And we can define the cookie life here, and also the payout terms and customization. If we want to change any of these menu name, we can just change it here. So these were some basic things. Then we have portal. Like this is basically our client portal. So about client portal, let's discuss that here. So you can find out your client portal in sites. So you can see we have client portal, and you also need to brand, like set up your white label domain for your client portal. So you can go in client portal. I have set up like app.clientclub.net. So you can also like type any of your subdomain here, and you can click on custom domain. You can add a CNAME record and a record, and then update the in your domain provider, and then click update domain. So what it will do, it will when someone log into client portal, it will give them this link. For now, it's not showing up here in email, but I can see that in my browser. That's my client portal domain. And then like we can also set up the brandings. Like we can set up our portal name, portal description, like favicon or anything that we need. We can define the portal, support email, copyright and everything, and we can hit settings. And then we have advanced. In advanced, if we need any custom coding or custom designing for our portal, we can also do that. And then so that was all about our portal. So, and this is how like our affiliate will be able to see, like this is dashboard. Then they will be able to see the leads and customers, then commissions, then media. So media was the folder that I showed you. Like they can go in media and they can download the document that they need. So this was basically the whole overview of GHL Affiliate Manager and how these everythings are links and how these everythings work. I hope this video is helpful. let me know if you have any questions. If you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel now and like this video.